Alright, well, insofar as these Jolly Rancher Pop-Tarts, which I think we can all agree are not a great idea, this one is the one I'm the most leery of. The frosted green apple. Can't. No. Unacceptable.
What? You don't think frosty green apple sounds good?
No.
I'm not saying frosty green apple Pop-Tarts sound good.
No, I think green apple sounds very bad. Green apple's a terrible flavor.
Apple.
Green apple's a miserable flavor.
Green apple is best flavor, yo!
Green apple's extremely bad. I hate green apple.
Oh. I respect that your opinion is wrong.
That's fair. I don't even like green apple Jolly Ranchers. This is staying. I was gonna start over. This is staying in the video now. Look upon this person and his bad opinions. All right, green apple Pop-Tarts. Let's do this mistake. Did you do the same? Okay, no, this is the same bad comic. These are just as bad comics with levels of bad opinion. Okay. Comics are still bad. Everything is the same. Still Pop-Tarts. God damn it. Okay. Oh boy, I can already smell the apple. The artificial apple. Same as usual. Let's toast them. So I'm not saying this is a sign, but one of the Pop-Tarts fell in the toaster. It seems like a sign. I think the toaster's trying to save me from myself. And here we are with some toasted green apple Pop-Tarts. I will say, and my roommate agrees, my lovely roommate, who cameoed in this video, agrees with me. They nailed the smell. It sure does smell like a green apple Jolly Rancher, which makes me more hesitant than ever to actually eat them. Let's see. Alright. Green apple. Well, it tastes like green apple Jolly Rancher. Which is kind of bad. I don't know why I'm surprised. Here's a fun fact. If you open it up a little bit, you can see the insides are quite possibly the least appetizing shade of green I've ever seen in my entire life. Green apple. Join me next time for watermelon, which is a type of Jolly Rancher I like slightly more than green apple, so yay!